The question is the height of the mercury thread in a mercury in glass thermometer when in melting ice and then in steam are 3 centimeter and 18 centimeter respectively. At a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, the height would be, what is going to be the height at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. What we are going to do here is that we are going to compare the degree Celsius thermometer with a thermometer that uses centimeter. Now, using the diagram of our thermometer, this is what we are going to have. This is from my standard thermometer. I have the upper fixed point and the lower fixed point. The upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius. The lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius, right? Now, the space between the upper fixed point and the lower fixed point is called the fundamental interval, right? Coming to this other thermometer here, let's go back to our question. Now, this thermometer, they said when in melting ice, the melting ice is the lower fixed point, and then in steam, the steam is the upper fixed point. Now, the melting ice I have is what, 3 centimeter, and the steam is 18 centimeter respectively at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. So here I have my 60 degrees Celsius. The height would be, this is the height equal to x, we don't know, that is at 60 degree, what is going to be the reading on this thermometer? That is what it means, right? At 60 degree now, what is going to be the reading in centimeter? Good. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to apply a simple principle which goes like this. I'm going to do 60 minus 0, 60 minus 0 divide by 100 minus 0, 100 minus 0 equal to, coming to this one, the same principle, x minus 3 divide by 18 minus 3, 18 minus 3, right? Good. So before we proceed to our final expression, please, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, do well to subscribe to the channel. If you are watching from the YouTube, if you are watching from the Facebook page, do well to like the video, share the video with family and friends. So let's proceed to the final expression. So what I have here is, I'm going to subtract 60 minus 0. I have 60 divided by 100 minus 0. I have 100 equal to, here I have x minus 3. Good. So 18 minus 3, I'm going to have 15. Good. The next mathematics principle I'm going to apply here is cross multiplication, right? Or before that, I can simplify this one. 0 will cancel 0, right? What do I have? So the next thing I'm going to have 6 over 10 equal to x minus 3 over 15, right? 2 here, I can have 3, 2 here, 5. So what I have is 3 over 5 equal to x minus 3 over 15, right? So the next principle I'm going to apply here is cross multiplication. That is, everything here will multiply here, this will multiply this, right? I have x minus 5. So what I'm going to have here, let me use here, what I'm going to have is 3 times 15, right, equal to 5 open bracket x minus 3. Good. This is my expression, right? So 3 times 15, what I'm going to have here is 45 equal to, open this bracket, 3 in 5 times x, I'm going to have 5x minus 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to collect like terms, right? Carry minus 15, bring them to this side, which turn to plus, right? So what I have is 45 plus 15 equal to 5x, right? Good. So 45 plus 15, what are we going to have? We have here 60 equal to 5x. So divide both sides by 5, right? This will cancel this. Good. So what I'm going to have as my final answer, x is equal to what? 60 divided by 5. What are we going to have as our final answer? We have 12. 12, what's the unit? Centimeter. 12 centimeter, right? And if you check in the option, you see that 12 centimeter is option D. This is the height at 60 degree Celsius. So thank you. Bye.